I'm not going to sit here and I'm in my own get said they make a party for Biasem. A NPP. My show my boy is a surprise. Me guno. I will nullify it. 2028 me guno. Last week we said NPP for question. So me yano. Mobile power bear day.
NPP power bear day.
Yeah. I'm the power bear day.
Hello. Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Obiso Onyindi. We have a guy say
my mom says Spark and I girls no way.
As they say I say AI now adoso. Kelvin tell upon I think your friend is a Radio Go Studios.
I'm sorry Kelvin will be able to take me. Kelvin Taylor. I sound go for Radio Gold. Yeah, thank you very much. Kevin Taylor my bala Radio Gold. So okay. Radio Gold all together as one family.
Questions be I'm up for the aba. Okay, Obi say okotwera. And it's our TikTok on ma.
Oh, Twitter.
Misinformation.
And I'm sure be. Then I have what traumatizing me pa.
As he said, the law is the law because that's what he's written. The law, Emra is saying they can't say they can. In BS dependent presidents or no midland so no one can say the CNT. Sabren say no more and the baby say ya. But what would it do? And moving forward, no. Then a bema or no aye. How would his posture be? How would his attitude be after quashing that particular warrant a damn swore? To see a free mind. Whoever thinks he's offended by this can still go back to court and pursue any other case that they feel say why now I yet here now what to me but they say to man sanity me did say about the engine at him did any idea can idea say yes and we should speak our mind against power. It doesn't matter whether you're in it. And found so yes and found so your politician or your president. So we here be from so one and say to me essentially I'm not trying to the war. Why you be first one try to and here. Why in some be free because you won't collide the try yes baby and any didn't the bar any didn't the bar. We should be mindful and we should be cautious. Say cost to say near so some be say so near to wasso neither the attempt who peer baby near my fans near budget also because we will be our no ya who did the attempt into peer near budget swap tiny a becono and meanwhile who the own teneya yet you be now your opponent when it but about all side I know any up now part to blow sheni nay share castle we say baby to me up may master mamma can go about and me say me no issue where the matter the name person as a person.
Yeah.
Or may Yamu bomb me or bar, if you said me what train, who are no for Yamia Mommy Bear, he describes me as a man all the time. And it's very the emotional stress he puts me through whenever he does this. Anytime I post anything, stupid people from goes on my social media and comments adding his name, even if it has nothing to do with politics, even when I'm exercising. It's a bit worrying.
It is also say why traumatized. Say make it can't send me. Also can't send me chairman my traumatized pa. 6 months I'm in the D.
Oh.
Yeah, nana. Mini sorry. Say me kabi bitiawa. We dey fache me. Nana also kabi biche me. O ka chem say me bema mini atia me bema papa. Membra Ghana me wari krasi ni ba o ye ga. Yes say kasa. Say bi waka say tia me yire.
And dey no cry.
Nti bia ebufo so na bia me so me reply wa se bi o nyina yenyini.
Yeah.
Nti say no abetia say the course nya me so abetia say the course nya.
Okay.
Trauma to trauma yetumi solve a problem.
And dey no cry.
Nti nana ya so e ma me call trauma mu pa. Yeah 3 days na me didi ye.
O me so buy no wa danfo Bonfire Cross.
Ono no wan.
Bonfire Cross o me say what me afre na achi.
Ono no say no wan.
Bonfire Cross nana
Aboa ben.
O ma choro na
kai message for na.
Okay, me was out the video be ato WhatsApp status or akwara guys say he's on drugs no.
Oh, on the me boni din. Metro TV, Polado Moche.
Say
Polado
on so ma boni din.
Me ni bibia meketia no. O penyini. Yesi so no. Near June say no kind of cray but on kind of cray, you know. And the problem with Paul and say a lot of medical problems.
Oh, some.
Yeah, and Mamon Casantiano. Yeah, or Yari Bibri. Or starting, yeah, Nyoma bi. diabetes, and you're already a fancy nipa. And I'm imagining when we say, I don't need to be stressing him. And you mean, I'm able to nipa, master, yeah. And the poor you'll be on your fit, sir.
I see.
Yeah, apart from former Exim Bank owner and SMCC, who said, Irijan Honiti, poor a lot of medical problems.
I see.
And Mamma will be a man depression. Moose or yes, I didn't, you drew our fat, no man kitting kitty and a man, yes, sir.
I see.
Desperation. At this point, me a call. There's no need for me to argue with anybody.
Okay.
My job is to protect the president, protect the government, to help Ghanaians.
Okay.
If you think you can bring the NPP to power, do your best and bring the NPP to power.
Okay.
However we do it, any problem. If you don't like my style, it is my problem. If you think you have the best style, use that to bring your party to power. So with us, we are not in competition with anybody. You're Mourinho, you're Lodi, you're body defense, no. Ona we here goes, no, to qualify.
Yeah.
It proved to spectators, no. Anyway, our team say you can do something. Me, I keep telling you, don't be distracted by things people say. But so be so you say, obe misinformia, obe disinformia. Don't let it slide. Okay. I will not let it slide.
Okay.
In fact, I don't have control over your editorial team. But me accord unless I don't see the jandam, I'll kill it.
The panel Casemina in the mono. Yes,
from 1992, ABC 2016.
Yes.
The Germany do this point.
That's true.
And a man for you every man be normal. You chantro na normal.
Yeah.
Obi to me can't some to president so no facts. Obi to me etna dem normal kuku jandam no they say nipa. Today ofa bibia and I win a can we and I win a can we. As far as unkuta facts no there oh how. It jandam no there it should not slide. The moment obe more space, ya say yebe more space no. That is how they are built. And I'm talking about the NPP.
Okay.
I'm not going to sit here and I'm in my own say the make-up party for Biasem. Okay. A NPP. My show my boy is a surprise. Me guno. I will nullify it. 2028 me guno. Me catch I will enter Ashanti region. I will take power from there. Otu for say to Nana Chancha hina ba me do. Nana domi. And I'm so that's anti-mine.
No.
Yes. Me gu NPP no. Me ne wo any omo adwene eye adwuma omo kan kure you be gu no.
You be gu party no.
Ade ba ko pere de betum de gu no. The facts.
Okay.
Protect the government with the facts.
Okay.
So person the NPP bar for facts no for bra.
Okay.
Born a masha NPP for 2028 the party will go in exile. Omo babim.
But what is about me I say obi one will be contesting no. I am not the power man no. The fact that on the President Mahama contested last year elections, 2028 in a automatic. Say Mahama will hand over power.
2020, Mahama did not lose by 1.8 million votes.
I know that.
So nobody can sit and weigh their destiny on fan compare Mahama. No, it doesn't work in that way.
I see.
In 2020, can you say Mahama contested 2020 and will lose it until 2028 to be winning? No. Mahama, check Mahama's numbers in 2020.
Yes.
Technically, Mahama won the elections. We all know.
In
the South Person, yes, our comparison now. Check it. The number of people who rejected Bawumia and the number of people who rejected John Mahama in
2016.
2016.
Yes.
Now, Yambra Bedu 2020. Okay. How many people rejected Mahama? So the numbers kept dwindling. 2024, the gap is wide. So that argument there. Now, when I saw Omenya flag bearer there.
MPP because Omenya flag bearer.
Flag bearer New York.
Okay, Mami for we soon. One of the strong argument or strongest argument can say the NDC will be presenting a new candidate, which gives them the opportunity to also sail through.
Yeah, it will give them the opportunity.
Yeah,
because NDC ni powerful from
or ni powerful from there, but ni pano nim terrain no. It already agbena yewi.
But the NDC as a political party has principles they are working within.
I know that.
John Mahama is the president of Ghana. John Mahama will be campaigning with Obia NDC for whom he said I was Orani.
Okay.
The NDC will be campaigning on John Mahama's record. Ghanaians are not going to be looking at individuals. Ghanaians are looking at the work you did for them. And he said, John Mahama, Mobwa John Mahama na Oye Jumana. It does not matter who represents the NDC. Mimpo, I'm not even looking that far.
Okay.
I'm looking at what should be done today. When what is done today is right. When people are going to the ballot, they are not thinking about who is on the ballot. No. They look at the policies that is helping them.
Okay.
Kwenina or taking tampono. Farmer service center abana and there or no utumi ekoji seats.
Yes.
Aban to me buano money candy fuso. The cooperative aba. I will say when you improve it on a brabono. Or per se NDC in the twaso.
Okay.
So it's not about an individual, and that is the mistake the NPP are making. Right now, the NPP as a political party, it is about individuals. It is about Bawumia.
Okay.
It is about Kennedy.
Okay.
The NDC is not about anybody. There are so many things that happens in the NPP, NDC wins. And I said in Ketia, there are so many things I want to mean here or NDC. It should tell you the party is not about individuals.
Yes.
And to me, I'm not worried about who succeeds John Mahama or who doesn't succeed John Mahama. What I'm thinking about now, the priority is that John Mahama should deliver.
Okay.
When John Mahama delivers and we get to that point, we will cross that bridge. And it's not go Kumasi across the bridge and across the lever. We drew her. So me, I don't care about anything now. What I care about is the 4 years. Yeah.
Policies, you know.
Yeah.
Say about reflect ye now Ghana for and what all.
That's the most important thing.
And the first
Obi enu wako jina ballot. And also wako also wako to aba.
Yes.
Oka say with them dabi ope bibi ejina so. Anything that we saw the change in 2024,
yes.
The gap was wide. The NPP still don't understand. People are not voting because where you are because of where you are coming from, the tribe you are coming from, the religion you are part of. People are voting because they see something in you.
Yes.
And when I say I see something in Ransford, it is consistency.
Okay.
It is what you believe in.
Okay.
It is your track record. If I believe in that, anything that you are assuming, I me a Christian. There's something that's making me a Christian. I mean,
okay.
We are Muslimi. So the principle, you don't have a problem. Yeah, that's all. And see, I transition in the NDC for Krano, they are not supposed to be worrying themselves right now about transition. They should deliver. When they deliver, transition will be easy for them. Let's get to the river.
Yeah, cross it.
John Mahama do 7 months, on do 8 months.
I feel next month.
Inti kaja bi nyim kranko nyanwo.
David.
Inti say gidi na dey. Last we say MP before question so mu yi ano. Moba power be den.
MPP ba power be den.
Yeah, the power be den.
But when you listen to them,
yeah,
they are telling us that Ghana for film. Ebio, see an omo kwatena se no. Omo realize say enema nko yenti no omo pae chawo, yam fa chewom. Na ebi CBM.
That be now them oba neti. And oba we so nye duane a onye.
Yes.
Oba no nyoma nkitikiti be also ye so oba no onye. Oba foforo ba ya. Why ni nyina? Inti onja oba no be found die na obeye.
The question is
answer. Because if you are talking about unemployment, this government is putting policies in place. And I share the mid-year budget.
Yes.
When you are talking about corruption, the government is taking steps. And you can see realistically on the ground people are fighting galamsey. You can see it. It is a tough battle. But you can see people, their will is there. What are you talking about? Inti so person about power. Share me the opposite of the power in the
and don't go on.
Inti mo be dien. Untumi si school. NDC for statistics schools no muja.
Okay.
Untumi si regional hospital. NDC for they have opened it up. Media budget, more roads are going to be constructed. They have done it before. It is also chemi. The opposite of beye metu mejina hakasa ma.
Okay.
Inti die na mo beye. Tell me.
Omutibi chirimu dia.
Yeah, ultimi ba Omia Kennedy whoever. MPP for munya platform now. Omo kanche Ghana for the pesi ni because the GDP is doing well now.
Yeah.
Eka daho your reserves are good now.
Yeah.
The dollar rate is good now.
Yeah.
We are talking about free SHS, stable.
Yeah.
Kids are getting school. Basic education, it's working.
Yeah.
People are getting free tuition in the universities. People with disability are even being given free tuition. I'm talking about the first year students in universities,
yes.
public universities.
Yes.
They are getting first year tuition free.
Yeah.
Now, at the end of John Mahama and this kaya omunya ya, it's MPP. Then I'm more person obey.
Question
Yeah, you know, into me NPP for your argument. Tell me what you want to do. Then I'll pass all here because there's nothing here. Over to my catch and say NDC and intimate to Abama.
Okay.
Minima the crow. Actually, be our kabakuche.
Okay.
And the MPP bedding. We don't need MPP again. The NDC will make mistakes. There will be scandals. The NDC will hit a block. That is human institution.
Okay.
A political party is filled with thousands of people. Your phone womb, your papa womb.
I know the
The fact of the case is the will the willingness to help the people. They have shown it. And we have to support them. Where we have to constructively criticize them, we criticize them. I've sat on my platform to criticize the president and other people. It does not mean say NPP NDC. Inti oye demonstration out the letters akoma diplomatic inti yanya den inti yantuma NPP.
And no and you see time our media budget review presentation e koso no.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry. And I'm call presidency. Omo the petitioner call. Na name two key ones be na me de ho ko back wo say former Kaswa Mamano Butu no. Aha. Yakuti ete na yase wo Ablikuma North. Eti omapani Embra Bontina on apology mra. Then again, they spoke about Galamsey.
Yeah.
Say still no Galamsey no cars over fight no.
Yeah.
And they're still 18 Ghanaians up. 18 no. Oman home so. And then also nim say Galamsey there. The campaigns no 8 years ago in Mkwaya.
Yeah.
Political party be the
Inti yanya day. Inti yanya day.
Eti nema unity na omo nanti Jubilee House one.
That's not you kai. And the police have done the investigation. 2 people have been arrested. There's a commission report. The president Ekufuado Tochune.
Yes.
I want them to start from the back. Nobody is justifying election violence. But it should start from the back to the point where Yama judges at Tenase, at Namotuso for hours to tell us that Brandy Champon should be dealt with. Now these same people walk to Jubilee House to say, these are people who don't have any moral right to speak in our community, in our country. Me, Ghana for Muhu NPP for say they are a bunch of liars, jokers, comedians. Omu kasa yensri, omu leader, content creator, afenyo marking on YouTube, TikTok, no person video call.
Oza.
Yeah, on TikTok, afenyo marking there. Waji we never for us 99 years. We should disclaimer maybe among count, but I make we are not supposed to take them serious.
Yes.
Just listen, it's okay. But at the end of the day, what has to be done and say, Yatiana Finyomaki Kobo be true assume another.
Yeah.
Has he spoken about it?
No.
Inti moral right to be no more. But if you can see the terrain, Ghanaians, we have moved from that jandam kind of politics. Last night Finyomaki in your parliament, I can say Ketan MP no, the minister no, professor.
Dr. Grace Ayusudan.
I didn't know before a year senator. Those are mind games. Those are mind games. And could be Ghanaians have to be focused. So far, businessmen or more Ghanaian who said there's some development. We are not supposed to be distracted. A simple thing. We share NPP ni betnaha. We say opesa mobile den. Diena mobile. Inti dien ai. Inti si ayanya den. Mo pe power di aye den. Metuma catch us ende. Mebeko Kumasi.
Okay.
Metuma catch us ende.
Obeko Kumasi.
Me na ho. Nana piao. Me do. Me ba Kumasi. Bibiansi. Dabi ho na me free.
Papa bi ate one you always have video no.
Papa ben.
Papa bi US or no US or no bitia bata. O de
US or tin.
Ani I just me.
Say or US ntanwene so. Asi baby ekuti ngure ba betina so ye boga. Me sanyo man tie. Me ni Facebook page gra. Me personal Facebook me bi.
Personal Facebook ni.
No.
Me aka ni adwuma ni.
Into social media here tag Kelvin na oboda. Me bi amba me ho. No, I'm focused. I'm doing my job. John Mahama has to succeed. NDC has to be in power for 42 years. Machechira to so.
42 years.
I mean, Shabon Payogu so. Be beyond to Mrs. Sano.
42 years.
Yes, Obian to Mrs. Sano. Me catch on say, I bet you 2 million if you Ashanti region. And every day I talk, and I'm people like you. There are people behind the scenes who work so hard.
That's true.
You get it. Now, MP before you see a Jimmy. But me person can't be seen and saying court in some because I respect the court. I respect the court 100%. The decision of the court, I respect it.
Okay.
Wherever way it had gone, Biano, I would have respected it.
Okay.
So be so a killer chairman, Nasa or Jin say Embranya Juma Ghana. Onye the Ojin say me any bini Embranya Juma and Embranya Juma.
Okay.
Yeah. Echo left to echo right to I respect the Supreme Court. That is why me my court know the respect and I came to stand before it. And I told the judges I am present, Your Highness, because I respect the Constitution and I respect the Supreme Court. About we kind of create about Papa About we is not about tribe. It's not about religion. It's not. I won't say your party me no Ghana. NDC a party for the people.
Yeah.
NPP a party for a coup.
And a group of people be nice.
It's all about Nipebi.
Okay.
Let's look at the holistic picture. Party a Ghana, a social democratic party.
Okay.
From J.J. Rawlings. Time and on Ghana for young people, a train quine. Or rural electrification program project or the Kania Air Kunkurasibia. Or what we call the F-Cube, free compulsory universal basic education, primary schools. Or banning him at a point, try to build some dams. You see, this is what we call governance for the people. And that is what we follow. Slowly, Atamil's by. Then you saw what Atamil started. John Mahama came, expanded our education, infrastructure. That is what a government does. We are a third world country. We need to take it one at a time.
Yeah.
So a political party, and to me, from the head to the last person, and to me, explaining what review means. It's not a political party. From Hakmoro Usajman, to the last person who NPP, they cannot define what review means. That is not a party worth following. Look at somebody like Nana B. Look at somebody like Chema Untumi. Look at somebody like Baumia, a liar, Kennedy Japan, taking contracts, not even delivering. These are people who are not supposed to be trusted. So let's not go back. Hey, Mameka Bibi Chamo. Adebia Muhuni Sia or Ghana.
Yes.
Mutu abati NDC. MPP best saying na. Intended so first year university.
Yeah.
Now, or sometimes from now to 42 years, 43 years, no. What about university first year government school biano untia. MPP bomb between. Free SHS on my year and then Kurani did and the panel.
Yeah.
So mistake now to tier NDC. MPP bomb between. Yeah, can't the government in a year when it comes to creating opportunities. And the mid-year budget, a choir year or Ghana, MPP bomb between. We don't have to go there again. Into one thing, let's focus. Abide by mistakes is a fact.
I know there.
Abide by mistakes. Yen to me yen correct you more, yen criticize you more, but we should not change the government.
Okay.
Let's stick with them because said yen 40 years and then you need to crime you.
I know there.
Yeah. But the moment you bet divertic a crib, we are not ready to get people to come and model in the Jubilee House. We don't want makeup artists. We don't want galamseyers. We don't want white people have screwed their brains to come to the Jubilee House. We want right-thinking people. Yeah, I'm called Jubilee House ko makeup. And your Jubilee House the oya galamsey kese. And your Jubilee House they are also who chance 2000 more bruchira or but the Arabi. What we are doing at the Flagstaff House is governing. Yatiara make milk by make milk benum wi o Jubilee House. Sanko for your demonstration drama kan wasem. So let's focus.
Okay.
The confidence is there. Me ba Ghana me hu. Ghana for per more. Ghana for the difference between NDC and the NPP. You guys are doing a great job. People are listening. The goodwill is there. I'll go back home to America. I'll continue my job. Nyame adom, the chain is off. I am saying on this platform, what is coming is bigger.
What is coming?
Oh yeah,
is bigger.
Oh yeah. And the meeting Kaka say Ghana no, my NDC aboso. It is bigger. I am going to protect the president. I am going to protect the NDC. I am going to protect good governance. I'm going to keep the NDC in power for 42 years.
I don't know.
Onyankopon
42 years.
Wamame hume, wa bless me. Nobody can change that. 42 years. And sa. Ya chichira to so. Me nshia de snap eguso. Oya nhwe nyi. Nana me do.
Ya dia kwesida also.
Chancha, ya dia kwesida eguso. Meba kumase.
Kelvin.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
I really appreciate you guys.
And it's dinner.
All right.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate this.
The lava also a Nyama team, no. Super fantastic.
Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Yes, so yeah, that's it.
Thank you very much.
My
name is Kelvin Akobedu Taylor. This is Radio Go 90.5 in collaboration with Loud Silence TV.
I know.
We'll be back. We'll make sure the right things are done. We are all messengers who are ready and willing to speak truth to power.
Okay.
Hello, keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.